Welcome to our channel. If you're a property owner or manager looking to verify your apartments.com landlord account to list your rental properties, follow these comprehensive step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit apartments.com and click on List Your Property or Property Managers to access the landlord registration portal. Step 2. Create your landlord account by providing your email address and creating a secure password. You'll use these credentials to manage your property listings. Step 3. Check your email inbox for a verification message from apartments.com. This email confirms your registration and includes a link to verify your email address. Step 4. Open the verification email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will activate your landlord account and allow you to proceed with listing properties. Step 5. If you didn't receive the verification email, check your spam folder or log into your account and request a new verification email be sent. Step 6. Complete your landlord profile by providing information about your property management company or yourself as an individual landlord, including business name and contact details. Step 7. Add your first property listing by entering the complete property address, number of units, unit types, amenities, and rental rates for each unit type. Step 8. Upload high-quality photos of your property, including exterior shots, unit interiors, common areas, and amenities. Good photos attract more prospective tenants. Step 9. Verify your property ownership or management authority by providing documentation such as a property deed, management agreement, or authorization letter if required. Step 10. Set up your preferred contact method for receiving inquiries from prospective tenants, such as email, phone, or through the apartments.com messaging system. Step 11. Review and publish your property listing. Once verified and published, your properties will be visible to millions of apartment seekers on apartments.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.